Hey guys, I'm on a train. Great. It's very loud. Sweet. Going to Tokyo. Okay, so I am in the bathroom right now. Cool. So yeah. I don't know. So, we're gonna do some Balisong flipping in the bathroom because I can't do it in a train in public, so I gotta kind of be careful. Oh, crap, I think someone's out there being like, what the heck is this sound? But yeah, so it's been great so far. Just kind of, dang it, yeah, this thing's so loud, and I'm bringing this secretly, so yeah, I hope this will be fun. So, woo, beautiful. Oh gosh. Snacks. Ooh, Disneyland's over there. Going to a restaurant. Cool. Hi. Bye bye. Yummy dinner. Cool. Wow. I gotta run. Oh my God. Hotel time. Okay. I'm at the hotel. And it's already late. Good night.